All right, so one of my favorite amendments, and we talk about it all the time, the Second Amendment. I remember years ago that I ran for a judge in a particular area. And the particular area I ran for judge in, they were really behind in times in terms of civil rights. And the individuals in the community that were Caucasian would tell me, don't come in this community at night, because they knew that this community was very racist and they knew that this community would probably try to hurt me. And I was like, whatever. And then I got to experience it firsthand. And I've been called the N-word, mowed down by a vehicle. And I have talked to people about my experiences as I had during this time period. But I think the most refreshing situation that I engaged in during this time period was when these individuals told me, not those people that were trying to protect me, but the other ones that were not. Yeah, you better not come in here after dark. I said, well, we got something in common. We both believe in the Second Amendment. So guess what? You do something to me, I'm gonna bust a cap in your ass, because I pack. So for those who did not know, the Second Amendment is meant to allow for individuals who can legally possess a gun to possess a gun. It is your right. No matter what your race is, you have a right to bear arms. I think that the sad thing is, and I've seen this, and you can't say that it's not true, and I'm not trying to highlight the racial biases that we have in our community, but it's true. In the state of Georgia, we've passed a law where everybody that is legally able to can possess a gun openly. It amazes me how many times I've heard people who have had guns legally possessed, who have been under a certain or with a certain amount of melanin in their skin, get asked questions about having a gun on their possession. I promise you this is true. Right down from my office, there was a gentleman, a white gentleman, that was walking down the street with an AR. Down the street, like openly. I think I still have a picture of it on my phone that somebody sent me. And it caused people to be concerned and scared. And what was amazing is that people called the police. And the police, I think my understanding was the police encountered the gentleman. The gentleman told them that he had a right to do it, and they walked away. But there were other people that were out there that were concerned, that were taking video and taking pictures. And those other people looked like me. And guess what the police did? Harassed them for taking pictures and videoing it. Second Amendment, you have the right to bear arms.